Today we're checking out Restore. Let's go. So I got my on the blue glass. Very nice. I like the color. I may have to investigate. Price tag says $3. It's not too bad. Some bottles, but they were the same bottles that were here before. Here's a Reading Brewing Company bottle here. The rest don't really have too many markings. I like the pie plate, the pie server. The green, very cool. It says $20.99 on it, which might not be a bad deal, to be honest with you. I didn't look at it. I see milk glass. A lot of plates. Some pretty cool plates. Some regular everyday plates, bowls. But still cool. Sometimes you have to look around the corner here. They put some things in here. And then there's some fun stuff. Gadgets, baskets, doodads. Find this two that match. One is $2 and one is $3, and I think they're coming home with me because I think they're pretty and they're going to look beautiful on my shelf. So this is the hardware type section. Usually it's filled with all kinds of goodies, dressers, furniture, tools. In the center is all kinds of other doodads and goodies. I see some chairs over here. A lot of these stools, there's a lot of those. Paint, kitchen cabinets, trim, plumbing supplies, toilets, stuff like that. So let's see what we can find. If you're ever looking for cabinets, even just like for your garage, great place because you can just get one or two, something little just to add. So it's a pretty cool place to just come for little odds and ends. Sometimes I think on the other side they have a whole kitchen set, but very cool. Doors and windows, usually they have a lot of here too. Down the other end is doors, windows, and they make their own paint. They mix together their own paint, so you can get those here too. Some pretty cool things. What is in these containers? A writing desk. These are all writing desks. This looks like memory foam toppers for the bed. Sinks. Cabinets. What an awesome pantry that would be. $275 for a 2-door pantry cabinet with 3 drawers. Oh, all the stuff is in the inside. I think it's brand new. I don't think it's ever been $275 for that. And they have a single one here at $200. Oh, there's the rest of the cabinets that match. There's a base, and here's the rest of the bottoms and some of the tops. Dry sink with a copper insert. We looked at this last time we were here. It's pretty cool. Lots of plumbing supplies. Very cool. Runs but needs some adjustments. $35. Very cool. This is where I bought my porch swing. There it is. This is where we bought got it. They have a couple other ones here too. And lots of lamps, chandeliers. Actually, the entire ceiling is filled with lamps and chandeliers. My son's favorite place to be is Tools, which they always have a lot of different things here. Last time we were here, these garbage cans were everywhere. There was like stacks and stacks and stacks of them. And when we got on the other side where they have the furniture, the bedroom furniture, up top in their storage was just like stacks and stacks of garbage cans. I don't see them this time, but not here anyway. The end of the store is kind of like tiles, other building supplies, carpets over here. Sometimes I find some good things in there. Some cool carpets. I like that print. $35. 4'4" by 6'5". It's kind of a nice print. This one here, 5x8, $75. Sometimes they have padding too. Sometimes it's just carpeting, like area rugs kind of carpeting. Never really like rolls of carpet. And like I said, usually just building stuff. Things for siding, venting, soffit. More doodads, nails, screws, all kinds of things. Knobs for cabinets, hooks, fasteners of all sorts. Hinges, doorknobs. I found the garbage cans. Massive dresser. Did this last time. Oh no, it's something different. There was one like this last time here that flipped out and it was for shoes. Still have mustard packet pillows. I think we're nearing the end here. It's like their furniture too. Sometimes there's some really nice pieces here. Couches, love seats, chairs. Some very cool things. And they have racks of clothing here this time, which is really weird. I don't know where they get it from, but that's it. See what we end up leaving with here today. There's some pretty cool things. I like that orange glass that's in the back on the shelf. I'm trying to behave though.